Hey guys, welcome to TechSole YouTube channel. This is me Rahul, and today in this video we are going to do quick unboxing and review of DEBOCK 11000mAh portable power bank. So let's get started. Here is what you see the box that comes in a plastic packaging. After opening the packaging, the box looks pretty simple. And over here we can see some power bank features mentioned that says it is compatible with all kinds of devices like phones, tablets, cameras and iPods. And importantly, here it is mentioned that it supports ultra fast charging with 2.1 amps output. Below we see the pricing mentioned as 2000 Indian rupees, but I bought this for only 500 rupees. And you can also get this for the same price. If you want to purchase, I have provided the link in the description below. Here, the Make in India logo says it clearly, this is an Indian product. Now, let's unbox it and see. So, here we go. The first thing we see is the power bank itself. For now, let's keep it aside and see what else we get. This is a small micro USB cable to connect the device. And that's it, nothing else we get inside the box. Now, coming back to the power bank. As you can see, the power bank is nicely wrapped with the plastic. Let's remove it. Talking about the design, this power bank is fully made up of plastic with leather texture on it that helps to provide good grip while holding it on hand. The weight of this power bank is quite normal, like other power banks with same capacity. Going through physical overview, the first thing we notice on the front is this display kind of thing, which is nothing but an LED indicator that shows the battery percentage when you press the power button below. And over the back we see specifications of power bank mentioned that says it has 11000 mAh battery capacity that takes the input of DC 5 volts 2 amps and gives the output of 2.1, that is DC 5 volts 2 amps. On the left edge we can see there are 3 USB slots that helps to charge 3 devices at a time, which is a plus point of this power bank. And over the top we see a micro USB port for charging the power bank, and along with it there is an LED torch light, which is again a plus point for this power bank. It turns on by double tapping on the power button. Now let us charge the smartphone by using this power bank and see what result we get. I have charged my Lenovo White P1 smartphone that has 5000 mAh battery, and by using this power bank, I was able to charge my smartphone fully for the first time, while the second time the phone has charged up to 75%. By this, I feel it is good at this price range. While charging the power bank, it took 7 to 8 hours of time to fully charge, which is normal compared to other power banks at this range. And one thing I noticed is the power bank doesn't get heated up while charging except the area around LED indicators, which I think it could be due to continuous LED indicators on while charging the power bank. Coming to conclusion, if you are in a tight budget looking for good power bank with high capacity at 500 rupees, I can say this DEBOCK 11000mAh power bank is a value for money product. If you are looking to purchase this power bank, I have provided the link in the description below. You can directly get it from there. So that's it in this video, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.